Hey, namaste, beautiful goddesses. So I'm in a new space and I am so happy because one of the things about this space is there's enough room for me to film yoga videos without a lot of stuff in the way. Let's get started today with a short heart opening practice that will serve you when you have a little bit of time but you want to do something to get grounded and feel centered within yourself. We'll just spend a few moments tuning into the breath. Sitting comfortably on the ground on your mat. Just noticing the inhalation and the exhalation. You could pause the video if you need a little bit longer time here. And in a moment we'll transition to all fours position to begin our practice. Let's begin on all fours with your fingers spread wide, arching on an in-breath, rounding on an out-breath. Rounding as the chin goes in, push the upper back up to the ceiling, and move around a little bit. Make it very sensual, make small movements to kind of loosen up the body. And now separate your knees a little wider, and we're going to begin moving clockwise, just circling your body, just loosening everything up. You can stop in any area and just really stretch it out. And notice my feet are quite wide apart. Don't worry about form here. So when you go into sort of a modified cobra, the knees and the feet are quite wide apart. You could drop the hips down, just stretching the front of the body, twisting. It's really just a nice loosening up of any areas that feel tight. And then stop in a modified child's pose here. Stretch the shoulders. Again, if that feels good, you could pause the video and stop and hold any position here. And we're going in the reverse. We're going counterclockwise now. Just enjoying the movement. And now we're going to slide forward into, again, a very modified cobra, the feet wide apart. And so we're just pushing back into child's pose, rounding up, and then dropping forward into an arch, lowering down into cobra. Just repeating that movement back, rounding forward, and then drop into an arch, lower yourself down. Inhale, push up, hips go up. Drop between the knees, and then round to come forward, and then smoothly drop into a low arch cobra, lowering right down. We're coming now into Sphinx Pose, where you slide the elbows right under the shoulders and lift up. The pubic bone is down on the floor, and the forearms are flat as well. Sphinx Pose, slide back and down. And again, inhale, coming up, elbows under shoulders, palms flat, fingers spread wide. You can look to the right and the left. Again, we're just flowing through these movements. Lowering down on an exhale, push yourself up to all fours, rounded back, and then into a puppy stretch, trying to get the armpits as if they're just going to kiss the ground, pressing the upper chest, opening up the upper back, forehead is down. Breathe. Slowly begin to come up to a seated position, walking your hands back, swing the legs around, and just sit comfortably cross-legged. We're going to take the right arm in front of the chest and just stretch it in as I'm showing, and then just swing the other arm, pull it in. Inhale, open the arms out, and we're tucking the fingers in towards the base of the fingers. Thumbs up. And here, going right into breath of fire. Breath of fire is a very quick exhale with a passive inhale. The stomach is pumping. The emphasis is slightly on the exhale. It's very, very fast, light, quick breath. Bring the thumbs together, touch the thumbs together over the top of the head. Spread the fingers wide and slowly lower your arms down. Touch the ground. Feel that you're exhaling anything unwanted out of your energy. And after a few breaths, we're just going to begin some shoulder circles, up, squeeze towards the back. Nice, rich, big circles, just loosening up that area where we all hold a lot of tension. Squeeze. You could hold in any area that feels really tight. You could do one shoulder at a time and then the other, one shoulder and other, like you were doing a backstroke with just the shoulders. Shrug them up and then relax them down. Make sure they come all the way down when you do the shoulder shrug. And just pause here. Notice how you feel. You could do Yana Mudra, where you join the thumb to the index finger. Just notice sensations and interlace your fingers. Bring the arms up over your head, palms facing the ceiling. We'll go leaning to one side on an exhale. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. This activates the Gallbladder Meridian, which has a lot to do with our overall energy flow, chi flow through the whole body. Drop the arms behind your back. Lift the arms up. They may not go very far. This can be quite difficult. My fingers are interlaced behind my back. Roll the shoulders back, squeeze the upper back together, and just lifting the arms as high as you can for one breath. And I'm just sort of twisting, moving around there. You could try a little more active swing, side to side. Really opening up the chest. Inhale, round the back, and then straighten up again. Notice how you feel. In a moment, we'll be opening the arms to the side on an in-breath. Inhaling and exhaling, wrap the right arm under the left, and then wrap the forearms as well, and the palms, if possible, will be able to just slightly touch. And we're just going to move the elbows from side to side in this eagle arms position. You should feel a nice opening in the upper back. You can also lift the elbows up and then round the back, tuck the elbows down. Again, just really getting into that upper back area. Open the arms out to the side and relax, shrug the shoulders. Just notice how you feel before we go into the opposite side. And that will be the left arm crossing underneath the right. Inhale, exhale, wrap the left arm under, wrap the forearms. And repeat the movements on this side. Side to side. Elbows gently going left and right. Hold in any area. And you could lift up. And then round forward. Gently working into all those tight places. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, lower the hands down. And preparing to go into a twist. We'll bring the arms up overhead on an in-breath, and we're going to twist to the right. So go ahead and inhale the arms up, and then exhale, drop the left hand to the right knee, and the right hand is behind you on the floor on your fingertips or palms flat, it doesn't matter. And just breathing into that spinal twist. You can look forward, which feels different, or you can look backwards. Inhale, up, touch the palms, other side. Right hand goes to the left knee, sit up nice and tall, and working the twist, you can move the head forward or back very gently. Breathe. And when you're ready to release, we will come up, swing the arms up, palms together, and bring the hands right through the midline. Exhale. Noticing how you feel. Focusing at the heart center. And just go ahead and lightly sweep your hands a few inches off the body. You're just clearing your aura, clearing your energy. Pausing, breathing. Bring your focus now to your heart chakra in the center of the chest. And just notice if there's any subtle energy movement throughout the entire area, but keeping your focus at the lotus of the heart. You could begin to let the seed sound for the heart chakra, which is yum. Yum, 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 yum. Feel that sound reverberate through the lotus of the heart. Clearing, healing, energizing. Releasing any hurts, any disappointment, any anger. It's feeling that softening and dissolving. Bring the hands to the heart chakra. Tuning into your breath and noticing the powerful shift in your energy. Feeling a sense of peace, feeling a connection to spirit, to your true nature, which is bliss, truth, and peace. Let's close together by chanting Om, or you can simply listen. Om. If you would like to do a relaxation now, the following video would be a wonderful follow-up to this practice. The relaxation in that video begins at 1 minute and 2 seconds, so you can go right to it. Namaste.